The moon, our celestial companion, has captivated humanity for millennia. Its presence in the night sky has inspired countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. From ancient civilizations to modern astronomers, the moon has always been a source of fascination and wonder. Its gentle glow, its rhythmic phases, its influence on our tides, all whisper tales of wonder and mystery. The moon's phases, from the new moon to the full moon, have been used to mark time and guide agricultural practices for centuries. Its reflection on water has been a muse for poets and artists alike. Yet the moon harbors a secret, a side forever concealed from our view. This hidden face, often referred to as the dark side, is not actually dark, but is simply the hemisphere that never faces Earth due to the moon's synchronous rotation. The far side of the moon, eternally turned away from Earth, has long been a source of speculation and intrigue. For centuries, it was a blank slate, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. What could be lurking on this unseen side? What geological features and phenomena could it hold? What mysteries lie hidden on this unseen hemisphere? Could there be unknown elements or minerals? Could it hold clues to the moon's formation and history that we have yet to discover? The questions are endless, and the answers remain elusive. What secrets are locked away, forever shrouded in shadow? The far side's rugged terrain, with its deep craters and towering mountains, suggests a history of intense bombardment by meteoroids. This side of the moon has preserved a record of the solar system's violent past. For centuries, the far side of the moon remained a blank canvas upon which humanity projected its hopes and fears. Early astronomers and mapmakers could only speculate about its appearance, often filling in the gaps with imaginative drawings and theories. Some imagined it as a desolate wasteland, devoid of life and beauty, a place where nothing could survive, a barren landscape untouched by time. Others envisioned it as a thriving paradise, teeming with strange and wonderful creatures. Science fiction writers and artists let their imaginations run wild, creating fantastical worlds on the moon's hidden face. It wasn't until the dawn of the space age that we finally pierced the veil of secrecy surrounding the moon's hidden face. The advent of space exploration opened up new possibilities for discovery and understanding. In 1959, the Soviet Luna 3 spacecraft beamed back the first grainy images of the far side. These images marked a significant milestone in lunar exploration, providing humanity with its first glimpse of the moon's mysterious hidden hemisphere. The images were crude, but they revealed a landscape strikingly different from the familiar face we see from Earth. The far side was rugged and heavily cratered, lacking the vast, smooth plains known as lunar Maria. Gone were the vast lunar Maria, the dark, smooth plains formed by ancient volcanic eruptions. Instead, the far side was dominated by highlands and craters, a testament to its tumultuous history. In their place was a chaotic jumble of craters, mountains, and rugged highlands. This stark contrast between the near and far sides of the moon raised new questions about its geological history and the forces that shaped it. The images captivated the world, but they also deepened the mystery. Scientists and the public alike were left in awe, pondering the origins and significance of the far side's unique features. The far side of the moon was not what anyone expected. It challenged our understanding of the moon and its formation, prompting new theories and further exploration. It was a place of stark beauty, but also of profound strangeness. The far side's rugged terrain and unique geological features continue to intrigue scientists and inspire new missions to uncover its secrets. It was a place that seemed to hold its secrets close. As we continue to explore and study the moon, the far side remains a tantalizing enigma, a reminder of the many mysteries that still await us in the cosmos. The Apollo missions marked a turning point in human history. These missions were not just about reaching the moon, they were about pushing the boundaries of human potential and exploring the unknown. For the first time, humans walked on another celestial body. The sight of astronauts making their first steps on the lunar surface was a moment of collective triumph for humanity. Yet, amidst the triumph and celebration, a strange silence emerged. This silence was not just the absence of sound, but a profound quiet that seemed to envelop the astronauts. The astronauts, those brave explorers who had gazed upon the lunar surface with their own eyes, seemed curiously reluctant to discuss what they had seen, particularly on the far side. The far side of the moon, shrouded in mystery, held secrets that the astronauts were hesitant to reveal. Their accounts, when they did share them, were often cryptic and evasive. They spoke in riddles, leaving more questions than answers. Some spoke of a profound sense of isolation, of feeling utterly alone in the vastness of space. This isolation was not just physical, but also emotional, as they grappled with the enormity of their experience. Others described a strange disorientation, a feeling that something was not quite right. This disorientation was more than just the effects of weightlessness. It was a deep, unsettling feeling that they couldn't shake off. A few even hinted at seeing things they couldn't explain, things that defied rational understanding. These hints were vague, but they suggested that the astronauts had encountered something extraordinary. Was this simply the psychological toll of space travel, the disorienting effects of prolonged exposure to the void? Or was there something more, something that lay beyond the realm of human comprehension? Or did the astronauts witness something truly extraordinary, something they were sworn to secrecy about? The possibility of a hidden truth added to the intrigue and speculation. The rumors spread, fueled by the astronauts' own reticence. People began to wonder what the astronauts had really seen and why they were so reluctant to talk about it. Whispers of strange lights, unexplained structures, and even alien encounters circulated among those who dared to believe. These whispers grew louder, feeding the imagination of a curious public. The truth, whatever it may be, remained locked away, hidden in the vaults of NASA or buried deep within the minds of the astronauts themselves. The secrecy only added to the mystery, making it even more compelling. The silence, however, spoke volumes. It was a silence that hinted at untold stories and unseen wonders. It hinted at a mystery far greater than anyone could have imagined. A mystery that continues to captivate and intrigue us to this day.